Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame did make a little bit of a higher low, definitely did make a nice little engulfing up. I see this as two options. Option number one is this is an ABC pullback to this last wave down. It's going to make three waves up. It's going to make a lower high, and it's going to continue the higher time frame downtrend. Option number two is that this is a complete five-way pattern, like a wave one or maybe a wave A, and this is actually a one, two, three, four, five of a pullback. So this would be like an A of two or an A of B. Luckily, we don't. It doesn't matter to me whether it's an A or a B because we trade it exactly, or a two or a B because we trade it exactly the same, whether it's a wave two or whether it's a wave B. So that's good news for us. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for longs. I'm actually already long on this, but I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. I would only be going long on pullbacks. I would have to see a pretty significant pullback too. I would have to see a nice little one, two, three-way pullback, a nice little Fibonacci retracement bounce, and a nice engulfing move to the upside for my next long opportunity for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend potentially. Like I said, I don't have a clue whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave three, but I will be looking for longs, hopefully while I learn and earn whether it's a three or whether it's a C. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked out here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.